Okay, YouTube, we're in the backyard. What we finna do is adjust this axle to give me the room for my chain because I welded this sprocket to the wheel. You see here, I done already got it to bust loose. So that's all of the play I need to go that way. So the sprocket will come this way, if you understand. So got this sprocket, it's pretty center. It rolls, it doesn't do too much wobbling. So I did want to use the wheel. That's crazy, just found a little piece of glass in this tire. But I'm gonna finish adjusting this. I'll be back. We put it on the bike. Okay, between these needle nose vice grips, a big crescent wrench, and these here channel locks, I was able to get both sides loose. So let's adjust it. We're gonna turn this side in, but we need to get it loose first. Both of them is loose now because I don't want the bearings to fall out. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is turn this back into the jam. It's closed, and then I'm gonna adjust it the amount I feel like I need. I'll be back. Okay, I gotta adjust it over so I could space it out. Throw another one of these here and still have some room to bite. Vice versa with this side. Good room to bite. Whole bow to go on there. You know, it's about the thickness of the frame, so that'll be all both there. That's good. That'll work for me. So we're gonna tighten this thing back up and get it on the bike. This is how I'm managing to get it tight. See, I got the needle nose clamped on there. I'm gonna use the crescent wrench to tighten it and jam it down. Stay tuned. Okay, we got the wheel on the bike. See, it's in the dropout. This one has a few threads coming out of it. This one, on the other hand, is pretty much flush. So that's good. At least it got some real teeth, good teeth to bite. So what I did was moved it over so I could put this jam nut in here and space it over and give me some more space in this chain area. So now you see I got it where I got a lot of space now. So what I need to do now is I did mark on this frame a few spots on the upside. If you can see that, can't really see it, but so I need to flatten it out a little bit. Go out here and smack it with the hammer some, and then I should be able to run the chain the regular way. So let's stay tuned for that. Okay, YouTube, so what I end up doing was just squeezing it a bunch with pliers. I think I should have some room now. Pretty much flattened it out. Let me get the tire on. Okay, got this thing on. Should work out fine. Give me a minute, I'll get this motor back installed. So we got the bike up right now. Let's have a little look at that. think that'll do it. Give me a minute, let me put the engine on. Okay, we got the engine mounted. Let's get this bike situated somewhere so I can show you guys chain alignment. Also put that disc brake on the front of there, working. Okay, I got it standing up straight. Give me a second, let me slide the chain on. Okay, so as you can see, we got good alignment. Let me cut on the better light for you. Got it away from that chain, but what I did was make it so when it jumps, it has a little room still. That's it, pretty much tightened up. So I'm gonna be putting this bike together. You see, with that bottom one, it's pretty much kissing it right there. But that's gonna have a chain tensioner, so we figure that'll be like so, where it's gonna be okay at. So that's where I'm at. I can put this thing together, start figuring out a gas tank, and eventually tear it down and paint it probably. Might not even paint it, just leave it like this. Got the lean back seat pole. Just need to put a seat on it, gas tank, throttle, and we ready to go. Chain tensioner is gonna get tack welded in place wherever it goes. See that sprocket is tacked in place. Made that engine mount. Yeah, but so that's pretty good there. Pretty good. Need to cut the chain down, figure out where the chain tensioner gonna go, and this thing could go together. Stay tuned for an update. Thanks for watching.